Hey, what's going on, great people? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Nichelle, your real estate broker, providing you some details as it relates to selling your home. So as a real estate broker, occasionally I have to help my clients sell their home by helping them decorate it. Now, truth be told, a house that is fully decorated, one that is appeasing to the eye, one that has some type of furniture in it, sells quicker than a home that is vacant with nothing in it. So I look at this table. Oh my God, this is gorgeous. I look for things for my clients to kind of build upon the type of house they have and type of buyers that they hope to attract. And I typically visit different stores, whether it's thrift, whether it's resale, whether it's consignment, to help bring those pieces together. This table is absolutely gorgeous. I love how they have it decorated with all this stuff on there. There is no way my table will stay like this, okay? Oh, look at him. He is so cute. Is he for sale? Too cute. But I love this store for many reasons, because this is how you know when you do a hodgepodge of things per se. They kind of throw everything together and you think that doesn't match, but it ends up matching, and it ends up looking really great and appeasing to the eye and draws people to it. So much character. One thing that I found out, this lamp is gorgeous as well. Look at those birds. This table is timeless. One thing that I found, that's perfect, timeless table. Yeah. One thing I found out about decorating is that when you stick with one particular style, it starts looking like everything else. You want character in your home. You want people to be, as I mentioned, ooh and ah about what you have. Now, this artwork, I am serious about my art. Okay, I'm serious about it. And this is absolutely gorgeous. The browns are so warm, so comforting. And you got a little of that bronze in there. Those things, the attraction of it. Look at the gray, brown, white, all of that cream color. Everything looks just so wonderful together. They have the wicker sofa there. And so don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone with decorating, because what you will find is that when you start adding your flavor into the home, you want to not make it personalized, but you want to make it something that people are attracted to and they see themselves there. That camera right there, a great collection piece. Now, you know I love me some leopard, so my eyes were terribly drawn to that, okay? That light was beautiful as well. Lighting is so important in staging your home. You want to make sure that it's well lit, that people can see and walk through wherever they're trying to go, and that they can see what you have to offer, the walls, all of that kind of good stuff. Okay, I'm currently in Burlington Co-Factory looking for some things to accent my wall, and I have some great picks that I want to add to an accent wall. Have a little faith. You can always not have enough of that. Faith is always so important. Then I have if you stumble, make it a part of the dance. And I love animal prints, so I'm making that the biggest accent. Then I have these here that I'm trying to add or think about adding. Actually, I have a little bit too much in this little bitty card there. But I love family pictures and photos, so I am looking at something like this to add to the wall. This right here for me and the hubby, together, you and me. Love you more. I think photos in a home are always key to show the unity and the love. Home is where you make it, and this is a happy home. Happy home. There's so many different things to do when decorating. And see, my problem with decorating is I buy stuff, and by the time I get tired of it or see it don't work, I return it and it's too late. So I'm looking at all the selections that they have. Really unique pieces. I think what I have is, I really love that right there as well, but I don't have anywhere to put it. So let me just do this wall and see where I go from there. Everything fluffy. $1 now. 116. First of all, I'm at Burlington putting my things in the car, and I have never ever seen anything like this in my life. Before I got out of the before I got out of the store, they had to unlock the cart. They had to unlock the cart for me to put things, to get all this merchandise out to my car. Now I have to take the cart back up to the store. This is so weird. Never had to have a cart unlocked before you bring merchandise out. Cart back in the store. That sign right there. So another thing that really pees me off, one of my pet peeves, why do people park this close to you when it's like tons of parking spaces around you? Never understood that. So welcome to World Market. If you've never been in this store before, you are absolutely in for a treat. They have a lot of different variety of things here, and I always get excited when I'm in the store. Those wicker baskets were gorgeous. You can find furniture in here, tables, bookcases, all kinds of different stuff, and they have a huge sale going on right now too, so pay attention. This chair is going to go absolutely fabulous in the decor of the room. This table, this wrought iron table, they have the bookcase there, and they have a good selection of rugs too. And I always believe that a rug needs to go under any table. Lighting. As a realtor, I want to make you aware that you need extra lighting in your home. The more well lit your home is, the better it is for your potential home buyers to see what you're offering as far as space. If there's any dings or dents in the wall, light just shows so many different things. What you do in the dark will come to the light, okay? So have some extra light in there and make sure people can see things. Now, I love lamp shades because I believe it gives character and depth to a lamp. There's those globes again. So many different unique pieces that you can add to a bookcase or bookshelf just to give character to a room. They have a lot of animal type of merchandise here. I think I get a lot of things from Ethiopia and Africa. Now, those tables there, I tell you what, I walked out the door with them. They are mine. It was absolutely cute. The price was right as well. This chair, talk about it if you want, but I guarantee you won't see it in anyone else's home but mine, okay? Super cute. I love fur, anything fur. Now, they have food here. This is one thing that I love about this store, because when you come in here, not only to shop for furniture, you can get food for entertaining as well. And who doesn't love a good cookie? Let's talk about some drinks. Any kind of drink you can think of, they have it here. Why not try something new? Spritzers, great. They have coffee creamers and all that kind of stuff. These sodas here, the last time I saw that was in China. And I tell you what, when I saw these here, I just picked them up and just bought abundance of them. They are so good. Soups, any kind of different ethnic foods that you want to try, they have it here. I promise you'll see something that you like. And I am a soup girl for sure. One of my favorites is the potato corn chowder. Have you tried it? Give it a try. It is absolutely delicious. Pastas, you can never go wrong with cooking a great pasta dish for entertaining. And they got those big pretty pasta there as well, where you can make it physically and appeasing to the eye. Wine. Are you a wine drinker? You can find any selection of wine here. Yum, yum. Sometimes they have wine tastings, and I make sure I'm there. Okay. So dishes, you can never have enough dishes for entertaining, and you have a selection here. They have a clearance sale. You better get in there and get it before it's gone. So I forgot to show you these beautiful pillows. This will accent a gray room with gray chairs. The yellow will give it an absolute pop. Here's a room that I redid. As you can see, the crimson, the cream, the whites, and the blacks just pop when you see it. Very visually appealing. That's one thing that you want to do with your house when you sell it. Make it visually appealing. I could not leave out my wonderful dog. Yes, he is. He's absolutely wonderful. Lucy, what do you do? What do you do? What do you do? You want your snack? 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 What do you do? What do you do? Are you going to get your snack? Huh? You want it because you were a good boy. Yes, you were. You were a really good boy. What do you do? What do you do? What do you do for your snack? What do you do? What do you do? There you go. Good boy.